Our API is not going to build itself. Let's set it up. Before we start, I assume you already have Laravel Herd and Postman installed. If not, install them first, then come back to this lesson. We will start from a clean Laravel project. If you already have a project, you can use it. For this course, I will call the project Sanctum API. Herd will detect the project and serve it locally. If your project folder is named Sanctum API, your local URL will usually be sanctumapi.test. Now open the .env file and use SQLite. If Laravel created other database values, you can remove them or leave them commented. For this course, SQLite is enough. Now, we need the SQLite database file. In many new Laravel projects, this file already exists. If it does not exist, create it. Next, install the API setup. PHP Artisan install API. This prepares the API side of Laravel and installs Sanctum support. Now run the migrations. Open routes api.php. We will use a version prefix. This keeps the API clean and gives us space to create v2 later without breaking existing clients. Next, we explain Sanctum in plain English before writing the controller.